Welcome back to the channel Stocks Market News. Beat the index. Today we'll speak about the situation on the stock market on Thursday. U.S. indexes were higher after the nearby on Thursday, as gains in the oil and gas, basic materials and healthcare areas drove shares higher. At the close in NYSE, the Dow Jones Industrial Average acquired 1.23%, while the S&P 500 climbed 1.23%, and the Nasdaq Composite Index added 1.33%. Computer game retailer GameStop revealed an unexpected misfortune in the final quarter as increasing costs offset a move in income. GameStop fell over 7% in resellers exchanging following the report. Shares of FedEx Corporation rose 2% in expanded exchanging after the organization revealed its fiscal third quarter ended February 28. The organization missed profit per share assumptions, while income surpassed estimates. Chipmaker Qualcomm Inc. said on Wednesday it has quit offering its items to Russian organizations in consistence with U.S. forced sanctions after Moscow attacked Ukraine. Nvidia Corporation has been added to Wells Fargo signature picks list, the organization's examiner, Christopher Harvey, said Wednesday. Nvidia stock rose 6.6%. Netflix Incorporated said Wednesday it will be testing another component that will mean endorsers will pay extra assuming they share the account with people outside their family. The new element will be being investigated for individuals in Chile, Costa Rica, and Peru. The CEOs of Intel and Micron will affirm on March 23 preceding the U.S. Senate Commerce Committee as the business and officials put forth the defense for $52 billion in U.S. appropriations for semiconductor chips fabricating. Hyundai Motor Group sent off another car plant on Wednesday that will create Indonesia's first privately collected electric vehicle. Electric vehicle creator Tesla Incorporated deferred a more than $1 billion contribution of bonds upheld by leases on its electric vehicles. Canadian Pacific Railway will lock out its representatives in 72 hours assuming there is no concurrence with an association, the organization said on Wednesday, a move that would conceivably disturb the development of grain, potash and coal during a period of taking off product costs. Exxon Mobil Corp and BHP Group said on Thursday they will proceed with a task to support gas yield from their Gippsland Basin Kipper field off southeast Australia, which would assist with filling an approaching gas deficiency in the neighbourhood market. Aston Martin on Wednesday sent off the last petroleum product adaptation of its restricted-run strong V12 Vantage sports vehicle, with each vehicle previously gobbled up before the British extravagance carmaker begins its slow shift to an electric setup. European aero and defence conglomerate Airbus is keen on assuming control over the network safety business of French programming organisation Atos, France's BFM TV said on Thursday, referring to sources with information regarding this situation. Austria's Raiffeisen Bank International, one of the European banks generally presented to Russia, said on Thursday that it was concentrating on a potential withdrawal from the country. Ocado Group's stock plunged 8% in London exchanging Thursday after Ocado Retail, the group's 50/50 web-based basic food item joint endeavour with Marks & Spencer brought down its deal standpoint for the current year. Britain's GSK will continue to supply fundamental prescriptions and immunizations in Russia yet end clinical preliminaries, following ascents against Moscow for its attack of Ukraine, joining other drug makers that have made comparable strides. Toyota Motor Corp is cutting its worldwide creation focus in April to 750,000 vehicles, down 150,000 from a previous arrangement, the automaker said on Thursday, as a semiconductor lack and the COVID-19 pandemic chomp into its arrangements. Williams-Sonoma stock climbed 7% in pre-market Thursday after the retailer's final quarter income beat gauges, defeating limit and production network constraints, and work deficiencies. Accenture stock hopped 4.5% in pre-market exchanging Thursday as the organization raised its yearly direction once again subsequent to snatching piece of the pie in the subsequent quarter. Swiss Re, the world's second greatest reinsurer, said it would never again safeguard most new oil and gas projects following mounting strain on huge business to do more to help the world cap global warming. Cineworld communicated certainty on Thursday that a meteor record of films in 2022 would assist the British film with tying return quickly from a 2-year quiet, in spite of the fact that its mounting obligation heaps stayed a test. On Thursday, Advanced Micro Devices reported the AMD Software, Adrenaline Edition 2022 and the AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution upscaling innovation discharge. Warby Parker stock exchanged 3% lower Thursday after the eyewear retailer's 2022 conjecture missed the mark, concern engages. Italian luxury yacht producer Ferretti Group is relied upon to start off on Monday the cycle to list its portions in Hong Kong, focusing on a valuation of around $1 billion as it sells a 25% stake, two sources near the matter said. Guess stock climbed 8% Thursday after the retailer posted preferable final quarter edges over expected, convincing brokers to disregard the misses on the two deals and benefit fronts. General Corp on Thursday conjectured deals and benefit for 2022 above gauges, as greater costs of ordinary basics make more Americans economical and go to bargain retailers for their food and family supplies. Delta Airlines Incorporated and Airbus chassis have massive history of understanding to work together on investigating and fostering a hydrogen-controlled aircraft. Russia's second biggest state bank VTB, which has been designated by Western Assents, said on Thursday it would surrender overhauling of unfamiliar protections to other Russian monetary organizations. Amazon.com Incorporated on Thursday said it had settled its $8.5 billion to purchase MGM, consolidating the famous movie maker behind Rocky and James Bond with the internet retailing giant as it hopes to draw buyers through really real-time video. You are afraid of new inflation waves in your country, aren't you? If you'd like to know how to succeed in this period, click the next video on our YouTube channel.